Today, I am going to make a very special drink, and this drink is inspired by a recent dish that I tried, a dessert actually. It is red velvet Oreo cheesecake pancake. So with that in mind, I am going to make a red velvet Oreo cheesecake frappe. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip, and we're going to find out how to make this delicious drink. I'm going to make one in large cup size. This is 22 ounces cup or 700 milliliters. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Red velvet Oreo cheesecake. For the red velvet, I am going to use my 100% beetroot powder. This is going to make that red color drink. And then I'm going to make use of 3 different types of milk, typical of my drinks. I'm going to use fresh milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. That is the red velvet part. For the Oreo, I'm going to use Oreo, and I'm going to separate the cream from the Oreo cookies and cut them into 2, and I'm going to use these to decorate my cup. And then for the chocolate sauce, I'm going to make use of my homemade chocolate sauce here. If you haven't yet seen how to make this, do check out the video link above. And for the cheesecake, it is going to be very similar to a cheesecake foam, except this is going to be thick and it's going to be cheesecake-like. I'm going to need my cream cheese. I'm going to use whipping cream. I'm going to need sugar, some sea salt. I'm going to need some vanilla extract. We're going to start by making our cheesecake. I need a chilled bowl, and to this I'm going to add my cold cream, add sugar. Now before I add any more ingredients into this, let us whip this so that the sugar will dissolve with the cream. I'm now going to add my cream cheese. To this, I'm going to add sea salt. And now we're going to whip it until it is stiff. Okay? And the final ingredient that I would like to add to this will be vanilla extract. Now this is to just give you that extra vanilla flavor and also a beautiful smell of vanilla. Okay? And now all I have to do will be to stir the vanilla in. Now I'm using a small proportion here because I'm not making a lot. So if you'd like to make a large batch, all you have to do is to multiply the proportions. Okay, so I'm just going to taste a little bit. I want to know whether it's salty enough, so I'm happy with it. It's salty, sweet, and very much like a cheesecake. And now we're going to put them into our piping bag, and then we're going to fill the bag with our cream. To make the drink creamier and more flavorful, I'm going to add fresh vanilla. So I'm going to use a smoothie blender here. This is not heavy duty, but this is enough for me for now. So I'm going to add milk into my blender. Then I'm going to add my milk syrup, which is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk, into the blend. 15 ml of my French vanilla, or 2 pumps, and finally my beetroot powder. For the ice, I'm going to use my measuring scoop, which is good for 22 ounces. And now we are ready to blend. Now just to make sure that my blender will not be overworked, I'll just give it a good shake. And now to assemble the drink. To decorate the cup, I'm going to start by using the cream from the Oreo. This is just a little bit, but I'm going to swirl this at the bottom of the cup. So just a bit of that white color at the bottom. And now to pour the blended drink. And now to put my cheesecake on top. Oreo cookies cut in half. Sprinkle the leftover beetroot powder on top of the cheesecake. Some chocolate sauce along the sides. A rich and decadent red velvet Oreo cheesecake. I am so happy with it. It's actually just an experiment for me. I saw this delicious looking pancake and I tried it. It was absolutely yummy. And now I made my own version in a drink. Okay, so first I'm going to take the lid off and maybe have a bit of the Oreo. And of course, who can resist that cheesecake? For those that do not know what beetroot is, it is a root vegetable also known as red beet or just beet. It is packed with essential nutrients and a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. So absolutely healthy. Now pack it with my delicious cheesecake, Oreo, chocolate sauce, and my milk combination, and you get a delicious burst of flavors. That is absolutely delicious. If you have a red velvet powder, you can also use red velvet powder for this one, and that will taste more chocolatey rather than a vegetable like beetroot. But this is gorgeous, absolutely. I am going to recommend this to anyone who's looking for something new to offer in their cafes or milk tea shops. Red Velvet Oreo Cheesecake by Chao. If you can recreate the same drink in another way, do let me know, send me photos, and let's have a little bit of a competition here. That's all I would like to share with you today. If you have any questions at all, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you again for more of these recipes. In the meantime, take care, stay safe, click that subscribe button. Ciao for now.